National Guard going around, making sure everyone's safe. Here comes another tide. I'm trying to get some video before I get soaked. Brutal. These houses just were put up on higher pylons, so they're 31 feet above sea level now. The sea level's way up underneath the neighbor's house. And here's our Scituate Seawall breach. Not good. Jim Merritt, neighbor from Gilson, and Russ Potman. And an interesting backstory here. Oceanside's without electricity right now, even though the wire seems to be connected to the house. And all those homes that are flooded have probably lost electricity too. It's going to be a long, cold night. Tell some people it's quite a ways to see.